What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, it's not going to be an education video, but rather an execution, kind of like how ICT posts on his channel. But you're going to be able to hear my commentary throughout the clip that I'm going to show you guys after this. So you're going to learn, it's a 30-second fair value gap, low resistance, liquidity run. You'll kind of hear my thought process through it. And I really just, I made it to show you guys, I will bend my rules a little bit depending on my confidence conviction. And in this example here, I did not move my stop to break even because I had confidence that we were going to keep running up and go to these equal highs. So it just shows you why a signal service or Discord service, no matter how hard or how many Discords you join or how much ICT tweets, even if ICT signals, it's not going to help you because there's times where there's a lot of discrepancy based on your own confidence and your own conviction and your own experience. And it's going to be different for everyone. So this clip really kind of shows that because some people get stopped out here, some people would hold, some people they wouldn't even enter. Okay, and it still follows my model, except I bend the rules a little bit. I enter a little bit on the momentum. I don't move my stop to break even until we kind of push a little farther up than I wanted, and that's what I did. Don't forget to use code 80% off sale Apex K. I've been trading a lot of Apex accounts recently. Just use code Dodgy. Again, their sale ends the 29th, so you got about 3 more days, and there's a 1-day pass. And if you want to watch my live streams every single day, make sure to click the link in my description. And yeah, without further ado, enjoy the clip. I'll try a really, I'm trying a really light long entry in my live account if this 30-second breaks. Again, it's so light, and I'm going to have a hard stop. I'm going to have a hard, let's see. I'm going to do a 5-point stop in the close. It's just going to be a hard stop. Because I'm green. I'm doing a stop, so I won't go red on the day. For this 30-second to be a good play.
Well, there you go, Mark. Did you enter on the 5-minute?
No, I'm done for the day, but I would
Oh, okay.
if that breaks. I mean, I preach it all the time, but those volume imbalances, like they're the best
Oh, yeah.
PD rate. I wouldn't even long when there's one below there
Yeah,
until it gets
yeah.
taken care of.
They are dangerous.
Especially when they're like,
I'm in.
I'd buy the retest for sure.
Yep.
Boom.
There has to be a break-even trade no matter what, based on how I do my rules.
Are we going to get an afternoon consolidation? We may get it.
It still looks pretty good.
Right, I just bought 5 on paper trading.
Okay, okay.
I saw them pop up on the 15-second. I just marketed it. It still looks good. It's a lot of low resistance liquidity. Like this should break.
Yep.
There it is. Target would be 17,549.
I'm gonna hold them until I get to the CB. I mean, the 4 hour.
And my target for the eval is 17,546 and 17,549. Honestly, like there's a 3-point difference. Like, why even target 49? Guess you can.
Yeah, we should hit 51.
A little bit more. See how this isn't a signal service? Like some people are not going to take that, and some people will. Who the hell cares what I say? All right, my one limit was filled there. Okay, stop the rest or break even. Obviously, I got filled there. NQ did hit. So NQ hit. MNQ made equal highs, just so you guys know.
Oh, we're going higher.
I think so too. Is there any other equal highs you left them earlier?
I don't think so. I wish.
Okay, last one is at 17,549. Let's see, I star right through this. See.
Rich on demo dollars. Boom.
Bang!
Oh,
Boom. Nice.
Bang! Bang, 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 bang! Shoot or shoot. 30-second inversion for the win on a chase entry. That was more of a chase entry. I'm not going to lie because it did hit the internal liquidity. But there it is. There's
Leopard, were you live on that or was that a
play.
demo?
That was a demo.
I was on a live there.